while working in Draw.io, by default you will see this grid behind your diagram. We can modify it or even switch it off completely here on the right side. Be sure nothing is selected, not elements like that. Just click in the empty area on the backdrop itself. Then you will see the diagram settings where the very first thing on the list is grid. If you click this checkbox, you can switch off the grid completely, and it will be very handy when you want to snap some quick screenshots, like local screenshots like that. And you can place it directly in some presentations or send to some messaging apps or emails. If you want to keep the grid but you want to modify how large the grid is, you can move this point slider here up and down. You can also modify the color of the grid. As you can see, I'm not using the standard gray one. I use the light blue grid as well. So I changed that already. We can make it red. Take a look. And if you plan to print it out and you're afraid that this grid will mess up your printout, don't worry. You can modify the settings while you're exporting PDF. So you can keep the grid in, and while you click File and you export as PDF that you will later on print out or share to others digitally, you can decide that you want to have grid or no. And actually by default it's maybe switch off. Alright, so you can turn it on or off while exporting. And now we're exporting to PDF, and let's inspect that PDF. Take a look. Even though in the diagrams.net I got this red, very strong grid here, in the PDF for print or for sharing it's plain white. We can of course modify this color behind the grid, the backdrop color itself. Simply turn on the backdrop color. It's in the same area that grid, and you can have that modify as well. And again, you can ignore that color while you're deciding to export to PDF. So make this comfortable process for yourself here in the program, and don't worry, we can switch off all of those backdrop effects like colors or grids on the export page. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.